Good morning, guys. We're here the second day of the 2021 Expo. Sorry if I'm sort of zombie-ish. I feel like a total zombie. The first day of the Expo was pretty crazy. So anyway, got here kind of early on Sunday and thought I'd do a quick little walk around of the booth. Maybe show you guys some more stuff. Anyway, this thing is so crazy. So much fun. So cool to meet all you guys. So cool to see all these cool builds and stuff. So yeah, man, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the booth, and then we'll do a brief little walk around real quick. So like I said, it's a little early this morning. We still got to move the Backwoods Sprinter van back a little bit. We had some guys kind of head out last night, so that's why the van's really close to the rig here. But anyway, man, here's my little booth. Got the rig looking crazy clean. I don't think it's ever looked that clean before. It's kind of funny because the weather is so cold. Coming up here, we went through the drive-through car wash, or not the drive-through, I'm sorry, the self spraying car wash. Cleaned all the ice off and then drove back to the expo, and it was icy again. So anyway, looks very clean now. Super stoked how it looks out here in the lights and everything. We've had tons of people come over and check out the rig, check out the setup and everything. It's been such a blast. Got the tent set up, and I am right next to this crazy sick military Land Rover. So cool. I think it's Wee Rover is the booth right here, but such a cool, unique rig. Man, we got all kinds of cool stuff. Let me show you guys I guess what I had going on. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've been helping Backwoods design these Tacoma products and stuff. So here's our rear replacement bumper. Here's the bumper on my truck that all you guys helped design, the 3rd gen Tacoma bumper. So we have this right here where people can pick it up because it's so crazy light. And if you guys were following my story, here's a little bonus cool thing. So this hasn't been on any YouTube video yet, but these lights right here, I helped Backwoods design. So these are very new prototypes from their brand called PATHFINDER. I did some branding and I called it Prowler and made this logo and designed the light and everything. And it's really cool. It's a true amber fog light. I think it looks super good. So actually, let me take a second and I will turn the light on for you because all the lights match. Turn the vehicle on, and then this light here somewhere, there it is, and we'll see. So they're all orange, so hopefully you can see that, all the orange lights there. I thought they turned out pretty cool. So let me turn this off and walk around just a little bit. Here's the guys at Midland over here. Sweet Gladiator. We got our buddy Chad over here at Overland Addict. We got Ryan moving the Sprinter van back a little bit. There we go. Now it's looking like a booth. But yeah, man, I guess we'll do a small little walk around. Super cool TJ here. Look at that. Bet you guys still wish I had the TJ. Pretty cool Ford. It's crazy. I love the variety here. There's so much for everybody. Brand new Rubicon. These are my buddies at Long Creek. This is John. He does all my merch. There's all the merch right there. It's my buddy Fletch from All Things Overlanding. If you guys want any stickers, decals, anything from all the cool people, this is where to go. My buddy John here at Long Creek. So we got all the merch set up here, and he takes care of business. Isn't that right?
That's right.
So now we're going to our boys at Oscar Mike. What's up? Man, y'all have had your coffee. I've still had my coffee and I'm not like there yet. So, hey dude, I had that last night and it worked last night. Thanks, dog. Rip it. Appreciate it. Sweet 4th gen right here. Love this thing. Guys, go check out Oscar Mike Overland. They got some cool stickers. I think they're in the Kansas City area. Super cool guys. We got a super cool Wagoneer? Yeah. Oh, this is the Venture Motors. I call it the 2.5 gen. 2nd gen conversion into a 3rd gen. Big old cool Wagoneer on 35s. Super stuffed. Wow, that is a very nice build. That's very nice. I think that's Bold Overland. I could be wrong. Can't remember. Can't forget the Sherp, man. The Sherp is sick. If you guys haven't seen these before, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're impossible to get stuck. Like, literally. Look at these things. You're on the tubes again, bro.
Good morning. Oh, hey, so what you should do is click to subscribe right here on this page.
Nice looking 80. Couple mountain bikes. Yeah, man, there's just so much. This is, like I said, just one wing of the expo. This is Tan Tacos Matter, I think. Yeah, Tan Tacos Matter. Really cool. I met with him the other day. He's got a super nice build, wide body kit. Really, really cool. If you guys are interested, he's actually developing these products right here with the trays, so you can put your roto packs and stuff on the side of your camper shell. Pretty rad. Some trailers. We got CBI over here. And we got way more over there. Right here we got Red Arc. All the power needs. We got all kinds of cool 12-volt systems. Awesome stuff. Over here, take you to the West Wing real quick. This is an awesome place. We got the crazy man, Venture Motors there. Big old crazy truck. Trail Recon's rig, of course. Big old Ram. He's got his Patriot camper. Looks super good. Good morning. There it is again. Looks so good. There's Crazy Man again. We got Yoda Runner, my buddy from Express Rally. There's the S'more people with that crazy, I think it's a YJ. Gosh, there's so much stuff. I don't even know where to begin. But yeah, here's Aaron with Express Rally. Awesome booth over here. This Land Cruiser probably is my favorite vehicle here, honestly. It's absolutely perfect. I wouldn't change one thing about it. Got our buddy Jason at Ozark Overland Outfitters in Missouri. Super nice guy. He put on my Dobson leaf springs in my rig. He's got a good looking cruiser here. He's done it really well. He wheels this thing hard. And he's probably one of the most knowledgeable people I know with Toyotas. Super cool guy. Got another one of his here. God, right-hand drive. So beautiful. Diesel, cranks on a dime. Storyteller, the really nice Sprinter. Couple Sprinters. It's like the whole catalog of lights.
No, these were included in this. That's why I wanted to make sure.
Some toolboxes. We got CB Adventure Supply over here, I think. Really cool GX filled with front runner stuff. I mean, guys, look at all this stuff, man. If you come to this expo, it's such a great way to get your hands on gear and actually test it and use it and feel it before you buy it. It's such a good way to do stuff. I mean, Gladiators for days here. Super cool. Dirt bikes, man, that's something I kind of grew up on. I really want to get back into it. Got action tracks. We got Rock Squatch over here. What's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Dude, so good. I'm a zombie this morning. About to slam this energy drink, but yeah, man. Yeah. Figured I'd come just do a little quick look tour, man.
Check it out.
Yeah, dude. So what all you got here? You got everything. Got mugs.
You got your rig right there.
Yeah, man. Check it. Looking good.
Yeah. So yeah, we just got all our stuff promoting Arkansas and Sasquatch.
Awesome, man.
So, yeah.
Love it. Love it so much. Dang, that's rad. I like that. Guys, check these guys out. They make some cool stuff. Oh, these little bags like you can put in your...
River bags, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
You know, trying to leave no trace when you're out there camping.
That's right, dude. That's right. I love it. Cool, man. Well, thanks, y'all.
Awesome. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah. Later. Yeah. Next, we got New Holland Overland. I've been following him for a while. Makes some really cool stuff. He's got some Molly panels. I think he made his own rear bumper. He's got this really cool fire pit. He's done some really cool stuff with his truck. Really, really like it. I like all the orange, kind of accented like mine, but really good looking rig. Check out New Holland. We got Natural State Overland here. Good morning. Morning. You guys know Natural State Overland. They started it all. They're to blame. Yeah, you too. We got this crazy Mitsubishi van. Man, guys, like everything is here. It's just so cool. Oh, there's Brad from Trail Recon right there. Met him earlier. Super nice guy. Don't want to bug him. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the booth. Hey, it's the McClellans. How are y'all?
We're doing well.
Good. I'm like zombie mode right now. I gotta drain this and some coffee. Here is the Adventure Motors MOORE GX that they built. MOORE edition. Super rad. There's a lot of these GXs. I mean, if you guys don't know about them at all, I mean, they are becoming kind of a 4Runner equivalent, maybe a 4Runner replacement. I don't know. Great vehicles. Very capable. All right, guys, we're walking back to the booth. Day 2. Man, this is exhausting, but it's so much fun. Got a cool Ford Ranger right there, Silverado. Like, it's literally everything. We got, oh, duh. Forgot to show you guys Chad's booth with this super cool G-Wagon. You guys definitely need to check out. He's got a brand new shop in Springfield, Missouri, too, that I've yet to see. I've seen his old shop, but love what he's doing. Such a nice guy. He's got all the goodies. So, well, we're back at our booth, and it's time to do everything.